Hello, welcome to another t-shirt design tutorial. My name is Davey Samuje. I'm here with you with another t-shirt design, another tutorial, another t-shirt design that sell tutorial. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into it. So I'm going to open canva.com. I'm going to be using canva.com for this. Canva.com, very unique app. You don't need to download any software for this. You really don't need to download any software for this. It's super easy. So it's as if they got a new look. But we'll come back to that later. So now we're just going to create, this is a new look. As you can see, they've rearranged some things. So now we'll just go to create a design. Custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. So that is it, pixel. Click on create a new design. So this is very easy. It's going to be a super easy design. So for this design, it's going to be a text-based design. It's not going to be anything complicated. Just going to be a text-based design. So we'll just go to text. So now we're just going to find a super cool font we're going to use for this. So you see, we'll use this first one and we'll use another one. So first, let's increase this. So now you see I clicked on it, it appeared here. So now we're going to click on it, we're going to expand it. So to do that, we'll move our cursor to this circle, press on our left mouse click button and drag outwards. So now we have this like so. Just make it bigger. Then you see there's a guide, a super guide, I'll call it. So now we'll just move that around. Now we have that. So for this text on top, it's gonna be, I'm gonna write wealth. So for this one, it's gonna be is freedom. Wealth is, I'll make the capital letters, is freedom. So wealth is freedom. So as you can see, we have that there. That will be the first step for this design. Wealth is freedom. So you see it. So now I'm going to ungroup these layers because you see they are grouped together, so they have different spaces. So I'm going to ungroup because I want them close to each other a bit. So I'm going to ungroup. So now that I have that, I can just move separately. I can just move this a bit just like so. I don't want it to be too close. So I'll just move it like so. Perfect. So now we are not done yet, so we are going to go in again. To add a final line. So I saw this t-shirt design from one of my very good YouTube channel, Tommy Bryson. He inspired me to design this t-shirt. So I saw his t-shirt, he wore this t-shirt and I was like, whoa, I like the concept behind it. So I decided to make this t-shirt for you guys. It's an inspirational t-shirt design. So I decided to make it for you guys. So if you guys are enjoying it, make sure you leave your like, put thumbs up, share and subscribe, please. So now the final step is for us to find a fanciful font. Just find a fanciful font. I'll just do the final move under. So we're just going to use this engaged. We just click on that. As you can see, it has increased. So we'll over our mouse to this circular, press your left mouse click button and drag outwards again. So now we have that. So we're just going to change this font. So it's going to say add hard work pays off. If you believe hard work pays off, I want you to like and share this. If you believe hard work pays off, I want you to like and share this. You can see it's quite big, which I don't want it to be, so I'm going to open my mouse to this edge again, and I'm going to reduce this, and I'm going to expand it just like this, because I want it to be in one line like you see it now. So I just want it to be in one line. So as you can see, it says hard work pays off. So now we have that. Remember, it is grouped and there's a smaller font which we don't want here, so I'm going to ungroup again, and now click outside and click back in to delete that font, because I don't want that in our design. So now we are left with wealth is freedom, hard work pays. So now I'm just going to add a bit of color, because I don't want to leave it just the way it is. So I'm going to add a bit of color to this. So I love to play with my designs. I love to make it colorful. So I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to pick some colors randomly and just work with that. So you see, I just have a color set which I've used in the past, so I just make use of that. Nothing too crazy. You can decide to pick your color set, but for me, I'll just use this first color set. So I'm just gonna do it like that. So then I'll come to this lower one. I don't want to make it black, because definitely we're going to be moving it to a black shirt. It's going to be bought mostly on a black shirt, so you don't want it on a black shirt. So you're just going to do Ctrl A and just find a better color for the tree. You can decide to make it gray. But for me, I'll just make it yellow so that you can see it. And for this, I'm just going to Ctrl A again to highlight all, and now I'm just gonna make that. Should I make a perfect red? So let's see how it looks now. I don't know if the red is looking too intrusive. But I can definitely work with this. It's not too shabby, so I can work with this. So now that we'll have our design, hard work pays up. This is the important part where I'll tell you have to get Canva Pro. You have to get Canva Pro if you want to get this white background off, because the way it is right now. First, let me change this color. I'm not happy with this color. I'm not happy with the red. It's too not happy with the red. I'm not a red color fan, to be frank with you, so I like to use something more turquoise. Should I use turquoise? Let me see how the turquoise looks. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. So as I was saying, you can, with the free version of Canva, you can remove the white background. So I advise you can get a 30 days free Canva Pro on me. All you have to do is to follow the first link in the description. Check the first link in the description after this video. The very, very first link in the description. You're going to get a link to get 30 days of Canva Pro free on me. All you have to do is to go to Canva, register. They're going to upgrade you to the Pro version for 30 days. You can make as much designs as you want. I'll tell you a secret. When it comes to print on demand, selling on Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, these text-based designs, they sell much more than graphics-based design. I don't know why that happens, but all the time it has happened from my friends who are into print on demand. For me, they always sell typography-based t-shirt design. So I'll just advise you to get Canva Pro, because using only the white background, you're giving yourself the signal that you can only put your design on a white shirt, which you don't want to do. So I'll advise you to get Canva Pro. So check the first link in the description to get that while we save this. So we just go to save. As you can see, it has the gold crown. That is to get the transparent. Normally, if you're on Canva Pro, you would have clicked on this box. You would have clicked on this box, and it will give you that. So you see what you stand to gain if you get Canva Pro. Never pay for a design, video. So someone asked me in the comment section in one of my videos, like, can I use the image I get from Canva Pro? Yes. Once you're on Canva Pro, you can use all image or videos free. You get the entire library free. Audio, videos, they are super free. You can use them on your work because you already paid for the Pro. You are paying for Canva Pro already, so you can check that out for yourself. Stay on the brand terms, turn on the graphics, into one-click vector. You see, create transparent background, which is super important for t-shirt design, print on demand. Unlock millions of exciting exclusive photos, and it's true, they have a lot. Choose preferred size and quality. Super. A free try. You can get a free try. Just click the first link in the description, and you get that. So just click on download. It's gonna prepare my downloads. And now I'm done, so I'll just click on it to make sure it downloaded properly. Show folder. So this is it. So if I click on it, as you can see, it downloaded with a white background, as you can see. And once, if you're on Pro and you click on no background, it's going to remove this background, so you're going to be able to transfer it on different color of shirt. But for this, we have it here, so we're going to work with that. So I'm just going to close this. And as you can see, it has taken us just about 12 minutes to get this done. It's not super long, super easy. All you have to do now is to take your design, go to TeePublic, Teespring, Redbubble, and upload your designs. Make at least 10. If you can't go more than 10 a day, but just make at least 10 a day. That will be 300 in a month. And you can just play. Canva Pro is super cheap. It's super cheap. A cup of coffee, one burger, you're good to go. So just make sure you get that for yourself and get going, start designing, make passive income. Don't wait for someone to employ you. Don't wait to look for jobs. Just start uploading on this site and you start making passive income. We're talking serious money here. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to do a 1-week series starting today. So I'm going to see you tomorrow for another t-shirt design. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.